What's up, guys? My wrist is still hurting, my finger a little bit too, so this video will still be just Andrew.
So I'm gonna try some flash attempts on stuff, maybe try to find a new project, and maybe revisit my old projects that are still up here. So, as always, enjoy. So I warmed up on this one shot right here, but there's an extension at the bottom. I'm gonna try that for my first time.
This is a nice angle. That's so hard. Let me try again.
Is that gonna be your new style of climbing? You gonna make that a thing?
Dude, it actually worked, and I kind of, you know, like it didn't feel bad or anything on this arm, so maybe I'll just do some of those. That was fun though. Okay, what's next for you?
So this route is apparently hard, but it looks easy, so I don't know. But yeah. I'm gonna give it a try, and maybe it'll be like last time Paul tried something that looked easy
and it was really hard.
And I'll just get shut down.
Okay.
So it does have some big moves on it. I'll give it a few more tries.
Lock hard, come on. There it is. Oh. Nice. All right, come on. thought you were gonna fall.
I somehow bumped myself further onto that
Yeah.
while I was falling off. Oh, that was good though.
Nice.
So I know I tried this one last time, but I was really close. I think I have more skin than I did last time, so I'm gonna try it like 1 or 2 times. And yeah, I
Kind
don't
of
think
gauge it.
I'm gonna try to not go too many times on it if
Yeah.
I don't think I can get it.
Uh-huh.
I still don't like this route. It's slopey crimps.
Yeah.
And
Slims.
the whole time I feel like I'm about to slide off
Yeah.
and just, you know, erase my fingers down to the bone.
Nice. I'm just concerned about this hold.
Don't you love this pinch?
That looks very hard.
And like, here, go to the side over here so you can see the angle of this wall.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
this is straight up and down.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Nice.
I can get it. It's a little bit hard, you know. Who would have thought?
He honestly
being hard.
fell on that same move like I don't even know how many times. Like there's gonna be a hole right there soon.
But I mean, it's been fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think there's any chance of me getting that move today. Maybe ever. But yeah, it was a good session. Paul's feeling a little bit better. Hopefully he'll be back with us for the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and we'll see you next time.